Morning, we're out in the woods. You hear the old Trailblazer running. Kyle's back there doing a little carbonite. Guy decided to get out and take a leak there by his machine and saw a big crack. So I'm here, Kyle's he's new to the whole fabricating, and I'm here to just be his guide and mentor. So I'm going to show you in a little while what we got going on. The end of the boom is about ready to fall off, the end of the bucket. And that's a little bit of an exaggeration. It's cracked 3/4 of the way around. So we're here to glue it back together and get him back to work. So that's what we're up to. Okay? Alright, I'll show you. Look at the old Trailblazer go. Pine tree's gonna get a little bit of spatter on it. Alright, I gotta go. Just a cellar. Go ahead. Don't worry about me. Wrapping around the bone. Oh yeah, you can see right here. Yeah. I don't know why I'm just not a welder every day out in the woods. I love doing this crap. I'm trying to teach him, but I kind of like it. Dug a lot of stumps and rocks and roots for this day. There you go. Here's a good helper, always has a new rod for the guy. That's a good helper. Did I tell you how much I love that airpak? Compressor built in. You do everything right off. Some guys say don't use the carbonite, but on that machine, but you know what? What the hell is it made for? You just bark with that full engine. Oh, it's bark. Next is the fun stuff, the grinders. Gotta love grinding. Alright. down to the barrel again. You know what I'm saying? Fill that up because we're, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. See that? All spiffed up. What have we been at it? About an hour and a half, 2 hours? Wire feed. You'd be here with a stick, you'd be here all frickin' day doing that. Oh well. Big Columbus over there, he's got her done. Oh, you're actually gonna, I was gonna say, the grinder and paint, make Kyle the welder, he ain't. Put some Ponce Gray on there, huh? Is that what you got?
Yeah. Oh
yeah, it'll match the grease. Good deal. Just got a mess to clean up then. Right on. Good job, Kyle. Film at 11. What should we do after this? Go to the bar?
Mm-hmm.
Get hammered?
Buy me a pizza, we'll get all fucked up.
Get a hammered?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, don't forget to take our John Deere box off the Ram. Don't want to get BBs on the chrome, you know. That'll wreck a cylinder in a freaking heartbeat. Alright, I'm going to put this camera away and clean up and get the hell out of Dodge. What do we say? See you, bye!
Skoda.
Skoda.